Sendspark makes it easy to create and send AI personalized videos in the Constant Contact lead gen CRM. So this is what was formerly SharpSpring. So the idea is that you can create a ton of personalized videos in Sendspark. You send it as one dynamic video snippet in your email, and then every person gets the right video for them that, says their name and shows you recording over their website or whatever you want to do to personalize the videos for them. How this works in Sendspark, you will go to the dynamic video section and create a dynamic video. And so I'll do this. And then you can record a video where instead of saying the person's first name, you say the word watermelon. So think of it as like exactly what you would say. This could be a video of yourself. This could be just like your screen or yourself over your screen. You record the video exactly as you normally would, but you just say, hey, watermelon instead of their name. And then we'll clone your voice so it's ready, and then we can replace all of those watermelons with your real leads' first names. So you can test the AI here, make sure the voice cloning sounds good. Hi, Bethany. Pretty good. And then you also have the option to use a dynamic background, which would take your camera bubble and make it look like you're recording over someone's website, which is what I was doing in this sample video here. So you can see it's like my camera bubble over Constant Contact's website. So, and if you do this, you have some options. You could have the camera in spotlight, so it's kind of animated moving around, or you could fix it to be in the bottom left, top right, like wherever you want the camera bubble to go. So you can do that. You can also have the option be scrolling down the website, scrolling back up. You can show your mouse cursor, and you can set a fallback. So if you don't have their website, it'll show this instead of like nothing. So once you have your video set up, you can go ahead and set up the landing page. Because when you're sending the video in an email, the way this works is they're going to see this lightweight animated GIF that's compressed and optimized to land in the inbox. But then when they actually click this, it's going to open to a video on the web right here. So you can customize what this page looks like. And you'll do that here in Sendspark. You can type here, you can use other merge tags, or if you are lazy, you can just go ahead and click a template that you've pre-written and saved for yourself. And then this can just fill out for you. One thing I'll note is we also integrate with a SharpSpring calendar, as well as a bunch of other different calendar platforms. So if you want to make sure people can book meetings with you immediately after watching your video, add the calendar here, and it's going to be embedded so they can just go ahead and book without any other clicks. And then the last step is just adding your contacts. For demo purposes, I'm going to go ahead and add this CSV and just add a couple people here. I'm also going to click this box to extract their website domains from the email so that we can do those dynamic backgrounds. You could also just like type names to add them here, or you can set up automation so that whenever people meet certain triggers in Constant Contact, it'll automatically generate videos here. Which can be really cool. So, and you'll do more of that in the automated workflow section of Sendspark. So if all looks good, just go ahead, hit review, and we can generate these videos. And then you'll get a time estimation here and see your videos start to process. While these are generating, the way that you share these out is going to be to click Share Campaign and then grab this snippet for Constant Contact. And this is like, it's basically a merge tag that we can then use in their platform. So we'll put it where we want the video to go, and then it's going to automatically update for every person. So what we do, we have that copied to the clipboard. Then we can just go to our email. Let me close the preview. And then how this works, it's actually going to be an HTML option. So I'll go and add a new HTML field so you can see it. So you'll drag the HTML where you want the video to go. And then in here, just delete what's already there and then paste that snippet. And then you'll see, my camera's in the way, but you'll see this preview here to know that it's working. That's what's supposed to happen. And then you can also go ahead and check and preview this or send a preview mail for someone who is on your list that you've made videos for. So I can go ahead and then send this to me, and I'll select Kimberly because I know I made her a video, and I'll send a preview. If you ever are previewing it and it doesn't work, what you've probably done wrong is you probably are previewing someone you haven't actually made a video for, because that's how it works. We're mapping the email here to the email in Constant Contact, and that's how we know who to show the right video to. But assuming that worked, you'll see this email come in. This is one I have from earlier, but same thing. And then you can just test, make sure everything looks good by clicking this. The video will open. You can see the landing page, everything we set up here, and then go ahead and play the video.
Hi, Kimberly. I just generated this video using Sendspark's AI.
So this is how it works. Let us know if you have any questions, but I hope this helps you connect more personally at scale. All right, see you.